Deputies received a bolo about an intoxicated driver leaving a convenience store with a child in the back seat with no rear bumper. When they located the vehicle, the driver, Ashley Tolbert, claimed she was just lost and needed directions to Dawsonville.
Lost and we're ready to get home.
Give me a second.
My baby's up there.
That's why I want to talk to you back here.
Yes, sir.
We've been looking for you out on the bypass. Somebody said they thought you was intoxicated.
No, sir. We're just lost.
What's the smell of alcohol I'm smelling?
I'm sorry. I've got some alcohol up there, but I haven't been drinking. I'm just lost and I'm ready to go home.
Okay, you've not been drinking?
No.
So how's the smell on you?
Because his daddy, I let him out on the side of the road, and we're just lost and we're ready to go home. Just home.
Okay. I want you to place your right foot on that line. Put your left foot in front of it. And with your hands by your side, just maintain that. Okay. Okay, can you put your hands down? What I want you to do is kind of like, keep in mind you are under arrest, okay?
Why?
For driving under the influence.
But I'm not.
You want me to prove to you without a censor?
Sir?
Oh, hang on a second.
Instead of complying, Tolbert fled the scene, nearly striking an officer. Police were forced to shoot out her tire at the start of the pursuit. Despite the blown tire, she led officers on a high-speed chase, crashing into another vehicle and leaving a trail of sparks and debris before finally stopping at Georgia 365.
Get down!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back. Dispatch, we're 95 at this time. Have fire and route reference smoking from the vehicle.
Let's see if we can get this baby out.
Yep, we're getting the baby out.
Continuing northbound.
207 dispatch, we're 95 at this time. Did you copy have fire en route due to smoke come from the vehicle, and at this time we're getting the child out of the car. Okay, what's the baby's
I
name?
can make him quit crying. Look, I can
Listen, shut up and answer my question. What's the baby's name?
His name is Isaac.
Isaac?
And my
Isaac
mom's
what?
name is Theta.
Okay, right now, we ain't in that point. We're
Look,
trying to figure out what to do.
I'm not drunk. I just
Listen
need
to me.
make it
Shut
home.
up and listen.
I just need to make
You tried to run over an officer. You caused a wreck.
I
You think
did.
I'm letting you play with the kid?
because you were trying to take him away from me. I'm just
sit
trying
there.
to make it home.
Just sit and chill
I'm
out
just
for a
trying to
minute.
make it home.
Hang on.
Tolbert was arrested and charged with fleeing or attempted to elude, 2 counts of obstruction of an officer, driving under the influence, endangering a child while driving, and hit and run. On November 9th, 2022, she accepted a negotiated plea deal and was sentenced to 5 years. Additionally, she must complete 40 hours of community service and attend 90 meetings in 90 days, such as 12-step programs, providing proof of attendance. Dashcam video shows a deputy's cruiser pull up next to a 2025 Honda Civic at the intersection of Refugee and South Hamilton roads just after noon on June 5th. The dispatcher reported that the Honda had been listed as stolen for a couple of days. The police officer activated his lights, but the Honda did not pull over. The deputy followed the Honda for nearly 10 minutes before the driver tried to pass him between two stopped vehicles at the intersection of Tussing Road and Hill Roads. The Honda struck both vehicles and flipped over on its side. The driver was taken to a hospital for evaluation. One of the passengers was released while the other was taken into custody, a felony warrant out of Franklin County. One of the drivers in the vehicles that was hit suffered a broken toe. The other driver was not injured. The charges: felony fleeing, impaired driving, possession of a stolen vehicle, and more. Thank you for your time, and have a great week.